How can dental implants improve my chewing capability and also my jawbone structure?
The question is, how can dental implants improve my chewing capability and also my jawbone structure? So the question is, when you have some lost teeth or when you have some missing teeth, so you're not going to have the same type of chewing that you had. I have a lot of patients in my office, and the moment I see them, I can see that they got some missing teeth, and I ask them, if, for example, when they have some missing teeth on the right side, I ask them a question, hey, which side you primarily chew? And they don't realize, why I'm asking the question. Automatically they will say, I do most of my chewing on the left side, and so immediately we know, and I go back and ask them, hey, just like you said now, you are doing most of the chewing on the left side, and as you see, you got some missing teeth on the right side. That's the reason why you need to have some teeth replaced with dental implant. So to answer your question, do dental implants doing your improve your chewing capability? Absolutely yes. So for example, on that patient I was talking about, as soon as we replace the teeth on the right side with dental implants, and we see them months after the teeth replacement, they say, hey, my chewing is back to normal. And as a matter of fact, like, patients ask me the question, well, hey, what are the advantages of dental implants? And I tell them, and they look, feel, and function like a natural teeth. Function, one of the main functions of the teeth, as you know, is the chewing. So you definitely, absolutely get 100% of your chewing back by getting the dental implants. And then how do they maintain the jawbone structure? So in our office, we do have a lot of patients, they had these missing teeth for a long time. As you know, one of the most common things that happen is, once you lose teeth, the jawbone tends to dissolve away or erode away. When the jawbone starts to erode away, then you get that sunken appearance of your face, because the bone keeps sinking and the chin or the cheek keeps sinking also. So when you have those dental implants, you prevent the bone loss and you prevent the jawbone from eroding away. So therefore, you're going to prevent the sunken face also. So to answer your question, you're absolutely going to get the chewing that you need, and you're absolutely going to prevent the jawbone erosion, and you're going to absolutely keep the jawbone structure by getting the dental implants. Absolutely.